أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we are learning the properties of ism, and the first property we learned was jins, meaning gender, and then we started learning number, and we have done some work on it already. So can somebody tell me, see how much you remember from the last class? Can somebody tell me what's the difference? How do you identify a sound plural from a broken plural? Can I ask Brother Abdul Samad? Brother Abdul Samad? He's not responding. So Sister Afia Mahmood, same question.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Sorry,
assalam.
can you repeat the question, please?
How do you differentiate a sound plural from a broken plural? How do you identify a sound plural, for example? Same question. Do you know?
Sound plural.
No,
Sorry, don't remember.
that's okay. Okay. So I guess it looks like we have to, okay, we have Saad Iqbal. Saad, go ahead. Same question to you.
A sound plural always ends with an una, ina, athan, or athen sound, and a broken plural doesn't have end with those types of sounds.
Okay. Everybody got it. I hope everybody heard what Saad was saying. We did this exercise in the last class. And in the Muslim, on the Arabic side, we made plurals from singular based on our Muslim chart for masculine and feminine. We learned that there was a pattern. Una, ina, like Muslimuna, Nasirina, una, ina, ending sound. And then on the feminine side, we have two sounds again. Muslimatun, atun and atin, like sajidatin. So una, ina, atun, and atin. If you see any of these four combinations, ending sounds, then you can say that they are sound plural. Sound plural. And if you don't see this pattern, any of these, una, ina, atun, or atin, but it is a plural, then it will be broken plural. So remember this forever. Like the examples here. The plurals here, which I just entered or just I revealed on the slide, they don't have that pattern at the end. Una, ina, atun, atin. But they are still plurals though. Like malaikatun, masajidu, kulubun, fajaratun, rukkaun, ambiyau, ayunun. So the plurals that follow that una, ina, atun, or atin pattern are called sound plurals, and the plurals who do not follow that pattern are called broken plurals. So hopefully now everybody remembers this. And I would ask someone to repeat that for me. I'm going to hide this and I'm going to ask someone, inshallah. Okay. Turhan. Turhan, can you tell me how you would identify a sound plural?
If a sound plural is a plural that has una, ina, atono, atin at the end.
And if there is another plural word that does not have that ending, what will you call that plural?
That's called a broken plural.
That's a broken plural. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you, Turhan. So everybody should remember this. It's not a very difficult concept. Let me, okay. Okay. Then we, again, last column of the Muslim chart, the plural column, the words shown in these two columns, there are sound plurals because they end with una, ina, atun, or atin sound. Okay. And if there is another plural, but it doesn't end like this, then we call it broken plural. The Arabic term are sound plural is Jama Salim, and the broken plural, the Arabic term is Jama Mukassar. But most of the time in our course, we will be using the English terms, sound plural and broken plural. So the same thing is shown here. Sound plural, their ending sound is una, ina, atun, or atin. And if it is a broken plural, then the ending sound will not be that. It will be something different. So there's no pattern here. And then we practice these words. So we're going to practice a little bit. So far we are just revising. We haven't learned anything new here. Brother Huzaifa Yunus. Huzaifa Yunus. Walaikum salam. So we have a word alimun, which is a singular. It means a scholar. And the plural is alimuna. Can you tell me what type of plural it is? Sound plural or broken plural? You don't know? If you don't know, you just tell me you don't know.
I'm not sure.
Why you are not sure? I don't understand this. I don't understand. It is, I'm not sure. Is it that hard or I'm just don't understand what's going on here. Sister Mariam Batul, same question for you.
Alimuna is the sound plural. Ashabun is broken plural. Ayatin
No,
is sound.
stop. Alimuna, you said it is what plural?
It is sound plural
Tell me the reason why.
because there is una at.
So what sounds sound plural can have? Can you repeat that, please?
Una, ina for masculine, and atun, atin for
Feminine, yeah.
feminine.
Yeah. So if there is ending sound una, thank you, sister. If the ending sound is una or ina or atun or atin, then it is a sound plural. And if you don't see that ending, it's a different ending, and it is still a plural, then it is a broken plural. Simple as that. It's not a very complex concept. It's pretty simple. So what were you saying, sister, about ashab?
Ashab is broken plural
Broken plural. Why it is broken?
because there is no any ending with una, ina, atun, or at.
Simple as that. Simple as that. Yeah. Broken plural. Yeah, hopefully now everybody can identify. I can go back to Brother Huzaifa Yunus and see if he can do this now. Brother Huzaifa. So what do you think about the third line now? Or you are still confused?
Broken.
Ayatin is broken, eh? What's the ending sound here?
Yatin.
Tin. Tin. So what are the four sounds, the ending sounds that the sound plural can have?
Una ina atin.
Yeah. So there is atin here. So what kind of plural is that, brother Huzaifa?
Sound plural.
Sound plural. That's all. It is a sound plural. Yeah. So I hope there is no confusion now, and we can move on to maybe just one more word, and then we move on. Whom should I ask? Brother Rahat Mumtaz or Sister Rahat Mumtaz, I'm not sure. It's a gender neutral name. What about the next word? No. This person is not responding. So, Brother Wahid, what do you think?
Broken pronoun.
Broken plural. Why, Brother Wahid?
Because it doesn't have una, ina, atun, atin.
Perfect. Thank you. Sister Zainab Faruqi, what's about the next word?
It's broken plural
Why?
because it doesn't end in atun, una, ina, or atin.
Yeah. So now, yeah, I'm asking again and again, so it is repeated again and again, and there is no confusion anymore. I'm hoping that everybody is clear on sound plurals and broken plurals. Please mute your mics. Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to share with you an interesting fact. Okay, and you should memorize this fact. It's very a weird thing, but this is what we see in Arabic. So it may be a little difficult to grab or understand at times, but the broken plurals are generally treated as singular feminine. Just remember this. It is they are plural, but they are treated as singular feminine in Arabic language. Okay, so now we got another reason for a word to be feminine. If it is a broken plural, it is treated as singular, even though it is a plural, but it is treated as singular, and it is treated as feminine in the Arabic language. If you cannot memorize this at this time, this will be repeated dozens of times in this our course. So by the time we reach the end, inshallah, everybody will know this. Broken plurals are generally, not all the time, generally treated as singular and feminine. So now we got another reason for a word to be feminine. So we will add this to the list. We already have a list, a kind of a tree that we built, right? So we can add this to that we had. We had masculine gender, feminine gender, and then we let's see if we remember. Let's see. This is a test now too, and we can instead of going to the next property, maybe we can just revise this. Okay, what's the general statement, Musab Iqbal, for gender?
A noun is treated as masculine unless there is a reason for it to be feminine.
Say it again.
A noun is treated as masculine unless there is a reason for it to be feminine.
Okay, so Hiba, I have a word in front of me, okay? And I want to know if it is masculine or feminine. How should I approach it? I should do what? Should look for what?
I should look for
Reasons to call it.
reasons to call it feminine.
And if I don't find any?
It's masculine.
Yeah. So if you have a word in front of you and you want to determine what is the gender, I mean, an ism in front of you and you want to determine what is its gender, you look for reasons to call it feminine. And if you don't find any reason,
it's masculine.
It's masculine. Thank you, Hiba. Because okay, so give me the first reason to call an ism feminine.
Someone is born biologically of girl.
Yeah.
Like a mother, sister.
Girl, mother, sister, biological reasons. And these biological feminine, would they be feminine in all languages? What do you think? Or will it be different?
All languages.
All languages. So this is kind of a universal thing. Okay,
Yeah.
before you go, give me one reason for non-real feminine.
Tama buta at the end.
Marbuta at the end. Yeah, okay. I hope you didn't see that. Thank you, Hiba. Okay, one more reason. This is revision now. This is nothing new. Arham, give me the second reason.
The second reason is uncle. Linguistic reason.
That comes later. Give me the second reason in order.
Broken plurals, I think.
No. Taimia, second reason.
Name of places.
Name of places. Proper names of places. Good. Give me the third one, Taimia.
Three letters. No. The ya one. The three letters followed by ya.
That comes later.
Body parts in pairs.
Yeah, body parts in pairs. Good job, Taimia. Thank you. Badr Ahsan Mumtaz. Next reason to call a word, call an ism feminine.
Linguistic reasons.
Yeah, because Arabs call these isms feminine, so they are feminine. We don't have to come up with for any other reason for it. And can you give me the next one too?
It's the thing which we're discussing today, broken plural.
No, we haven't done that yet. No, there was another reason before that.
3-letter words.
Ending with?
Yeah.
Yeah, alif maksura. Yeah. Like, give me an example of those kinds of words. Like?
Uzma.
Yeah. Uzma, kubra. But there are some exceptions, like Isa, Musa, Yahya. They are not feminine. So there can be some exception. So we have how many reasons here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And today we learned another reason. What was that, Nusha?
Broken plurals.
So today we added another reason to call an ism feminine. So if it is a broken plural, then it will be feminine as well. Okay. So this ends our study of adad, meaning number. So gender and number, we are done. So again, what are the 4 properties? What are the 4 properties? I'm gonna ask this question. Let's see if everybody remembers this. Brother Abdul Samad. How many properties do we have of an ism? We may not even go to the breakout room today. Yeah, I see some hands. I know you know this, but I want to see some from somebody else who has not been very active. See if they know this too. Sister Rehana. 4 properties.
There are 4 properties:
What are they?
status, type, number, and
You messed up the order. Status. What's the next? Gender.
Gender,
Mhm.
status, gender,
Mhm.
number, and type.
Very good. So status, gender, number, and type. Okay. Status, gender, number, and type. And we have learned number 2, number 3, gender and number. And we will learn a little bit about type today. As I said, we may not have time to go into the breakout room today. So what does type mean? It's very simple. This is the simplest of the 4 properties that we have. And what it means is an ism or is a noun, common noun or proper noun? Just 2 things that we have to establish. So type means, is the ism common or proper? Common or proper? So before we go into Arabic stuff, we can use our existing English knowledge to identify or differentiate between a proper noun and a common noun. So I have a sentence here. I met a man at the bus stop yesterday. A man. Is it a proper noun or a common noun? Zulkifli.
Common noun.
Brother Zulkifli.
Yes.
I have highlighted in that sentence. What is it? Is it a common noun or a proper noun?
Common noun.
Common noun. A man. It could be any man. I met a man. I'm not identifying it. So it could be any man. Thank you, Zulkifli. Ayan Hashmi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. The bus stop.
The bus stop is proper noun.
Proper noun. I'm saying the bus stop. So when we
The
say
bus stop.
the, it is a common,
Proper
not a
noun
common
because
noun.
yeah.
It is a
Sorry,
proper.
go ahead.
Yeah, good. Thank you.
No problem.
So we know it just should be an easy exercise for everyone. Okay. I give you another sentence. Somebody else. Brother Ahmad.
Yes.
Okay. Ahmad, is it proper or common?
A proper noun.
Proper noun. Okay. Stay with me. Stay with me. This is a new sentence. Hamza bought this book for his sister because she loves reading. Okay. Hamza.
Proper noun.
This book.
Proper noun.
Yeah. Why you're saying proper?
Because it's specific. It's this
Specific. Book. Yeah. Good. Thank you. Arham.
Yes, uncle.
Okay. His sister.
His sister is proper.
Proper. Yeah, it's not any sister. It is his sister. Okay, last one. She.
She is proper.
Proper. It's a pronoun. Pronouns are all proper.
Yes.
So they refer to a specific person, right? So this is all what it is. Type. Common noun or proper noun. Now we are going to learn a little bit about this in Arabic. Common noun, which is called ism nakira, and proper noun is called ism ma'rifah. And then there is a general statement, like in in gender, we had a general statement. Similarly, we have a general statement here. In Arabic language, an ism is considered to be a common noun unless there is a reason to call it proper. A noun or an ism in the Arabic language is considered common unless there is a reason to call it proper. So the same concept that we learned in gender. So we have to know the reason to call an ism proper. And if we don't see any of those reasons, then we call it common. Most of the words will be common. So again, we look for the reason to call an ism proper. If we don't see any of those reasons, then we say it is common. And we have to learn what? We have to learn the reason to call an ism proper now. So one of them is proper names. We will go over a few, maybe all in real quick, and then inshallah revise next time. Proper names. Proper names of people and places like Muhammad, Hassan, Ibrahim, Makkah, Madian. Last two are places. So proper names of people or places. Number two, the words that start, the isms that start with al. Al-qalam. Qalam means pen. Al-qalam means the pen. Ayatun means signs. Al-ayatu, the signs. Okay. So al is the same as the in English. So adding an al before an ism makes it proper noun. Third reason, all the pronouns, detached or attached, they are all proper. So for example, kitabuka, the ka is proper. Rasuluna is proper because they are attached. And also the detached, huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu, they are all proper nouns. Asma'ul ishara. You know this from the most commonly used words. Haza, hazihi, haulai. The words that are used to point at something. Okay? Asma'ul ishara. You should memorize this term, inshallah. It will be good. It will be useful. The words used for haza. Haza something close. Haza this. Zalika something far. That. Tilka for feminine. That. Ulaika those. So these words are used in the most commonly used words and you should memorize them. So these are proper. And last one. Asma'u. Asma'un mausulatun. Memorize this term if you can. It will be useful. Allazi, the one who. Allazina, those who. Allati, the one who for feminine. Allati, those who for feminine. So these words, if you see a proper noun, proper name of a person or a place, an ism starting with an al, a pronoun detached or attached, an ismul ishara, or you see an ism mausul, then you say it is proper. These are not all the signs, but these are the most. So if you don't see any of these, then you can say it is common noun. Simple as that. Okay. So we will revise this tomorrow. I have reached the end of my allotted time. So I have to stop now. So because now we have some time. So if you could memorize the reason to call an ism proper, that will be great. That will help us in moving to the other stuff, inshallah. Okay. So memorize these reasons and inshallah it will be very useful. Thank you very much. And this is where I will end today's lesson. Jazakumullahu khairan.